In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated invoice reminders in QuickBooks Online. Keeping on top of unpaid invoices can be time-consuming, but QuickBooks has a built-in feature that can do a lot of the chasing for you. Automated reminders send gentle emails to your customers before or after an invoice is due, so you get paid faster without having to remember every follow-up yourself. Let's walk through how to set this up, step by step. First, look to the upper right corner of your QuickBooks Online screen for the gear icon. This is where you'll find all your main settings. Go ahead and click that gear, and from the menu that appears, choose Account and Settings. This is the area where you control how your company behaves in QuickBooks. On the left-hand side of the Account and Settings window, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Sales tab. The Sales area controls things like invoices, estimates, and, in our case, reminders. Give the page a second to load if it needs to. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Reminders. This is where the automation lives. On the right side of that section, you'll see a small pencil icon. Click that pencil to edit the reminder settings. Anytime you see a pencil in QuickBooks, it means you can customize that section. Next, look for the option that says Automatic Invoice Reminders. Toggle this from off to on. Turning this on activates the feature and lets you set specific rules for when your customers will receive reminder emails. Once it's on, you'll see options to set up to 3 different reminders. Each reminder can go out at a different time, such as a few days before the due date, on the due date, or a few days after. For example, you might choose 7 days before the due date for a polite heads up, and then 3 days after the due date as a follow-up if they still haven't paid. For each reminder you want to use, toggle it on and choose the timing that makes sense for your business. Below the timing options, you'll see fields for the email subject line and the body of the message. This is where you can customize the wording to match your tone. You might want something friendly but clear, like a simple reminder that an invoice is coming up or is overdue, and include a brief thank you. Make sure the message is professional and easy to understand. When you're happy with your settings, click Save in the Reminders section, and then click Done at the bottom of the Account and Settings window. Your automated invoice reminders are now active and will run in the background, helping you stay on top of payments with less